Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick swing trading update just because we are getting a pullback today after about like 4 or 5 days of consecutive green. Now the pullback isn't anything major, like it's 3 to 5% on average across most altcoins. But we do have a lot of open positions since my last update, so I wanted to give another update as the Sunday night futures markets open up. So yeah, let's just get into it. So first, let's start with the Epic short. Now, this one did get stopped out yesterday on this candle, so unfortunately, this is one of the losing trades for this week. Yeah, I'm probably gonna not trade this one because it's like my second time in a row trading Epic to the downside where I've been stopped out. So this one is kind of behaving a bit differently from the rest of the market. So just gonna leave this one alone for now. Anyway, then we got Sand Long. So I think this one came very close to hitting TP3 yesterday. But anyway, I hit TP2. So I did decide to get out on this candle today right here just because I'm going to talk about this later, but we do have open positions on XLM and then CRV and Floki that, depending on your entry price, haven't hit their take profits yet. So pretty much just de-risking on my longs here and just giving more weight towards the open longs that we have right now that haven't hit their TPs. Next we have Mana. So Mana, great trade here. Hit all TPs on this candle yesterday. Wow, it went up like 10%. Nice day for Mana. So we're out of this one. And this one I was holding since September 2nd. So, I think one of you guys was asking me what's my average holding time. So it varies, like it can be like a day, 2 days, 3 days. But this one I held since no, yeah, September 2nd all the way to September 13th. So that's about 11 days. So yeah, depending on the situation, we can be holding these trades for a week or more. Now let's get to the Lista trade, short trade. Now, yeah, I posted this on Monday. Well, last month. Wait, not last Monday. 2 Mondays ago, right? Yeah, September 1st. So it's been almost 2 weeks. I'm gonna keep holding this as long as it's kind of meandering around the 55 EMA here. So we'll see what happens here. I don't like that it's like it did it did reclaim the support here at like 25 or 26 cents, but barely. So overall, like you can just tell from the chart, this one's looking a bit weaker compared to the other coins where you've been trading and looking at. Next we have BB. So it's on the weekly time frame. So yeah, this one is still active. It's in profit. Posted this about maybe 3 weeks ago. Yeah. So this one is still active. It's a weekly trade, so it will take some time for this to play out. But we had a nice week. Yeah, nice week this week on this one, up 6.4%. So if you're still in this, I keep holding it. No reason to exit. And even if you're not in this, I would say we can still enter this actually because we're still not far from the moving average here. So as long as it keeps close to the 21 EMA here on the weekly, I would continue holding this. Now next we have Polkadot daily time frame. So this one, I think this one, I hit TP2, maybe TP3 on this one, depending on the exchange you're trading on. But I did decide to exit this one in profit just because, like I said, I wanted to de-risk a bit and focus on the trades that I posted on Friday. So I'm out of this one. Next we got our XRP. This one, another good trade. This one only hit TP1, but I decided to exit today again just because I wanted to give more space for the other trades we have open. I think this one might have actually hit TP2. So entered on this candle. Yeah, I think we were very close to take profit too. So I've exited that one in profit. Now we have bearer short. This one like is giving me some conflicting signals now. On one hand, it did get above the 55 EMA, but the second factor for me getting into this trade was the fact that it did break below the support at $2.45. Now today, I did try to get above it, but it's getting rejected so far. So this reason, I'm gonna keep this bearish short open as long as it stays below $2.45. So yeah, both the Bera and Lissa shorts are in Jordan right now, but yeah, given that the other longs are still active, I'll keep these open. So Bitcoin, yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. Gonna keep this one open for now. Entered on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday evening. Hit up to TP1, and I mean, if you want, you guys can like exit this at this point in time. But for me, I don't see any reason to exit. I think it's the safest long to be holding right now, so I'll just I'll just keep holding it for now. So you got all right, Floki. So depending on your entry, like I entered on Friday, and this one started running really fast. It did wake up almost TP1 for me, and then I posted that if you did miss this move on, pretty much started moving like an hour after I posted it. Then just wait for a pullback down back to the 55. Now we did get that pullback today. So far it is holding. So you're either at break even or and slight drawdown on this one. Anyway, yeah, I would just keep holding this. I think the setup still looks good on here, and if you did manage to catch this entry, your risk to reward is very good here because if we do start closing candles below the 55 tomorrow, then we can just exit this for a small loss. Next we got CRV now. Yeah, a bit disappointed in this one because it did break above the 55 here. Yeah, Friday night. And then this one is looking pretty weak. Like we are breaking below the 55 now. So this would be basically an exit condition, but let's see, we still have like about 3 more hours till the daily close. So let's see if we can like get back to above 80 cents. If it can, then we'll leave it open. But if it doesn't, then I would consider exit this one. Finally got XLM. So I think I went to this Thursday evening. Man, I think this had TP1. I think I had it listed at 41 cents. I think for whatever reason I had my TP1 a bit further from here. So I'm still in this. But for those of you who are not, for those of you who hit TP1, you should have put your stops to break even. Technically, it should be out on this one. But if you're not, I would just probably keep it open. So yeah, I think that pretty much wraps it up. I'm not gonna be posting like any more positions today, or at least not any more long positions. I think there's enough exposure with uh, CRV, Floki, and XLM. So if anything, I'm gonna scout maybe some short opportunities. But I think my trading account is pretty I'm pretty satisfied with the risk that I have on right now. Yeah, if you guys have been following my trades, I think most of you or all of you should actually be in profit on your swing trading accounts. I know I started posting swing trade signals around the middle of August. The first 2 weeks were a bit choppy, but yeah, the last week and a half, maybe 2 weeks have definitely gotten better with the loan trades. We had some pretty awesome movements to the upside, especially on like WLD and the other ones I mentioned in this update, like Mana, Sand, and Polkadot. So yeah, overall, pretty happy with the results over the past week. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here. If you guys do have any questions, just drop them in the comments or just feel free to DM me. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, also Wednesday we have CPI, so be aware for that. There will probably be a good amount of volatility on Wednesday. But I'll make another update regarding that